sharpshooter mate, 1 3/4 inch bolt, 1 touch target, the walk up, £10 to the back of that workbench there. Sharpshooter bay, Gamekeeper John's entry. Something a bit different from the long range shots this time. So my last few entries have all been one shot at long range, so thought I'd do a paper shot. .5mm steels, TTF pocket poacher, £10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Measured 10m. Bolt was only 1.5 inch, 1 3/4. Well, clearly none are outside the 9. That's pretty much where every ball is. That rips the ball actually at about there. That's less than 2 inch grouping from 20 shots anyway, all around there. But tell you what, we ain't done that. That was 10m. So what I'm going to do, move camera back. I'm going to drag the workbench back like 2 metres, so 1, 2, so about there. And I'm going to get 10 shots from that, which is unmeasured, but it's about 11.5, 12. So we'll do with this one, 10 shots. One. 2. 3. 4. Straight over the centre. 5. Let's check how much recording time I got. I've got about 45 seconds and it cut out, so I can only do 2 more shots. For the bull again. How does that do? Yeah, I've got a run down here. Them last ones was from 12. That ripped down, but you can see the ball actually hit near enough on the bull. So there it is. That is a sharpshooter entry, and you will not get 27 shots better grouping than that. 20 from 10 metre, then 7 from 12 metre. Have a bit of that.